curb. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. Buddy's in handcuffs. Welcome to another video. We are going to that one car meet that is absolutely crazy every single time we go. Tonight might be a crazy night. With that being said, let's go to the meet and let's see how tonight goes and let's see how crazy it gets. Whoa, something's going down right here. Oh, big accident. Oh. Whoa. Looks like the bikers are going to the car meet as well. Are they just straight chilling off a bike right now? GTR right there. Alright, the car meet is right down yonder. Whoa, another cop right there. Well, I hope you guys are ready for a lot of cop action because there is going to be a lot. Is that legal? That's 15 right in front of the bikes. Oh, two of them right there. There was an RX-7 back there. I think this is the earliest. Oh, tow trucks are already ready. If you guys remember last time, tow truck company got almost into a fight with somebody over here. But yeah, they're ready this time. Cops coming up the side right here. Uh-oh. At least he was chill. It's packed as usual. We got here early too, man. They are wild. Oh, there's cops behind us. Not sure if you guys can see that. A couple more cops chilling at the gas station right there. Somebody got pulled over up here. Ooh. The lights are... Dang it. Alright, let's try this again. Kermia's right there. Super clean Evo right there. Dude, that's the fourth cop that just flew by. And make that 5. Dude, they are everywhere, bro. Turned his lights on. Ooh. Uh-oh. Too low, I guess. I don't know. Another cop in front of us. Alright, we made it. Let's check out the cars that are here. Clean Evo. Oh, what the heck is up here? Straight up drag car. Wow, that blue is crazy. That is so nice. And it's a wagon. Look at the seats, bro. M5. That is insane. Legit drag car over there. Another Beamer slammed. Look at that wagon though. Oh, somebody's pulled over right there. Supra on the beadlocks. Clean Supra. Looks like the cop got somebody right there. GTR. This is the whole meat. There is no way. R34 right there. Slam GTR. That's 2000. That's clean. Carbon hood, fenders. Ooh, ZL1. This is stupid nice. There you go. Got the gap cam and all. Check out this F-150 though. All-wheel drive, twin turbo. Crazy. I like the color. What's the color called?
Atlas blue.
Atlas blue? Nice. So it's underneath, yeah? Or at the bottom?
Yeah. Right up. The head.
Sweet. R34.
It's me. You know, it's not like.
Oh. Pulled over right in the front. Tow truck's ready. That's 2K. G80. Cop sitting right there as well. What in the world? He's free. C8. Oh, C7. Z06. Another C8. That turbo. Got the whole section back in here. C6. There we go. Here's that RX-7. Super clean M3. I like that. Carbon lip. Got a whole monster truck in the middle right here. Ain't nobody getting out right there. Slammed RV. Can you ever say you've seen one of these before? Clean S2K. Look at that turbo. C7 gang right there. Okay. Someone just got pulled over right there. Not sure if you guys can see that or not. C6. C7 gang right here. Sheesh. Look at the lid. Look at the wheel setup in the back. Love it. Another C7 on a drag pack Grand Sport. Oh! Cops waiting for them to do something dumb. Look at all the bikes over there. No way! Wow, that thing is loud. Listen to that rotary. Oh, no, I missed it. I can smell the race fuel. This is who just revved. Look at that. Somebody's actively getting pulled over right there. Oh, it's that Mustang. That sucks. It's probably for his taillights, to be honest. More cops all the way down there. Oh, there's a cop sitting right there. He's moving. Oh. Nice. Oh, he's going. Another tow truck. Sounds good. C5. Chopping. There's an unmarked cop right there. Speaking of cops, police are here now. He just did a burnout right there. Yep, and there's a cop right there. Supra. It's another unmarked cop right there. There are cops absolutely everywhere. And tow trucks. They got that Mustang good. Got the whole road blocked off for that Mustang, it seems like. Oh, he just topped that curb. Another C6. Another C6. Man, a lot of C6s on the street. Love to see it. Oh? Uh-oh. Oh! Two of them. That blue is fire. Chopping. I need those wheels, man. Hellcat action. Oh. Uh-oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, bro. You almost hit that car right there. Okay, that was insane. A freaking minivan, man. Every single time. RCF sounds good. Whoa! Oh!
I got no.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Dude, at this point, it's just all cops on the streets. Holy cow, look at all the cops down there. You guys see that? All those cops down there. Another one. Multiple tow trucks coming in. Cops going after somebody right there. No way. What? Oh yeah, yep, he's getting them. He's coming. I was about to say, there's no way. Oh, they did get away with it. They got really lucky. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Golly, dude. Well, that just started up. Yes, sir. That sounds so good. Oh, he's about to get yelled at. He's still going. Wow. R34, another one. It's a crazy looking color. Mustang. Sheesh, look at that high ram on the Grand Sport. Getting everybody, even if you're not in the car. What? Ooh. You guys understood how many freaking cops and tow trucks there are on this street right now. Like, look at that. Three valve. 3, 2, 1. Cop sitting right there waiting. That's another unmarked copy. Another police car. Oh. That guy just went flying that way.
Yeah, they got his ass.
Just a normal car flying.
That nigga's fucking dead.
Twin turbo F-150 single cab. Man, that thing sounds good. Holy cow, what the heck? Shoot. Whoa, what the? What is happening? C6 gang. Out with this group. Gonna bounce out of this car meet. Yeah. No truck's getting somebody. Dude, every single time they got somebody pulled over right here. I don't think I've gone to this car meet and somebody hasn't gotten pulled over right there. More cop lights up here, it seems. It is. Wow. That Durango is loud. Look at that. Just a squad of cop cars sitting right there. Buddy's in handcuffs. God, what the heck? Did you see that? That's this guy on the bike got put in handcuffs. He was on the ground and everything. That's crazy. Whew. Cop sitting right there. That's where the meet was. Well, that's going to end this video. This car meet is always super crazy. Definitely cop-filled. If you're wanting to see cops, go to that car meet because you will definitely see your fair share. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, smash the like button. If you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.